पयलो भावांनी 2 भांगरा पदक जिखल्या उपरांत गोयच्या थळाव्या खेळगड्यान बॉक्सिंगात रुप्य पदक मेळयले। लोकेशाक सर्व्हिसाच्या संजया आड भांगरा पदक चुकले। फकत एक दीस उरिल्ल्यान गोंयाक हे पदक फावो जाला।
Now he's back to his defense.
No pushing.
No pushing.
Box.
A caution from the referee to both the boxers. You can see the self-defense up of the services boxer. While doing his defending, he's getting closer and closer to the Goan boxer. Trying for that hook or the uppercut. 75 to 80 kg light heavyweight elite men. A good punch landed by the Goan boxer. Lokesh.
Red, head up, stop. Red, head up. Box. Head up, red, head up. Blue, head up.
Last few seconds of the second round. Goan boxer Lokesh has kind of made a comeback. And good defense. Bout. Sanjay from services in blue.
Head up, blue.
With little bit of advantage.
Blue, no slapping.
Good straight punch again from the blue corner. Goan boxer Lokesh in the red. Getting closer and closer. But it has been good defense. We can see blue corner with his gloves very next to his face, not giving any space.
Stop. Red. No hit back.
Services corner just giving last minute instructions. Nearly a minute and some more seconds left for the gold medal match in the elite men 75 to 80 kg light heavyweight. And this is where it becomes more exciting. Less than 60 seconds now remaining. Flurry of punches coming from both the sides. It is here where the matches have been won or lost. Goa, will it be successful in getting its second gold medal via the gloves of Lokesh?
बात करें तो तीसरा और अंतिम राउंड यहाँ पर चल रहा है और पारा क्षमता गोवा के मुक्केबाज ने बहुत अच्छे प्रयास किए हैं, मगर सेना के मुक्केबाज की अगर हम बात करें तो उसने बहुत ही अच्छे खेल कौशल का प्रदर्शन किया है। लगातार प्रहारक क्षमताओं को गोवा के मुक्केबाज की प्रहारक क्षमताओं को रोक दिया। शेल का रखा ये प्रयास बहुत अच्छा, देखो चपलता के साथ तेजी के साथ फेंट अटैक जो उन्होंने किया है सेना के मुक्केबाज। ये मुक्के के प्रहार से नहीं गिरे, स्लिप हुए थे। रेफरी द्वारा क्रॉस हैंड का एक सिग्नल दिया गया।
गोवा 365 खातीर सुभाशिश गोवेकार आणि संगीता ओली।